Liquid fasting, especially with water, vegetable, and fruit juices, can have various potential health benefits when done for a short period like 7 days. Before we learn more about the process of fasting, take a moment to click the like button and subscribe to show your approval of this content. Here are 5 potential health benefits that can occur during a 7-day liquid fasting period. Detoxification. Fasting can help the body eliminate accumulated toxins and waste products, as it gives the digestive system a break. Vegetable and fruit juices are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which can support the body's natural detoxification processes. Weight loss. Liquid fasting can lead to a calorie deficit, resulting in weight loss. The reduced calorie intake and the body's reliance on stored fat for energy can contribute to shedding excess pounds. Improved digestive health. Fasting gives the digestive system time to rest and heal. During this period, the gut can repair and regenerate, potentially improving digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, and irregular bowel movements. Enhanced insulin sensitivity. Short-term fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which may help regulate blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or prediabetes. Mental clarity and focus. Some people report increased mental clarity and focus during fasting. This may be due to the body's shift to using ketones for energy, which can enhance cognitive function. A 7-day liquid fasting period using water, vegetable, and fruit juices can have various health benefits over the course of the week. Here's a breakdown of potential benefits from day 1 to day 7. Day 1. Digestive rest. On the first day of fasting, your digestive system gets a break from processing solid foods. This rest allows your gut to repair and heal, potentially reducing issues like bloating and indigestion. Day 2 to 3. Weight loss and ketosis. As you continue to fast, your body starts to rely on stored glycogen for energy. This can lead to rapid weight loss due to water weight reduction and the initiation of ketosis, where your body begins using fat stores for energy. Day 4 to 5. Enhanced insulin sensitivity. During the mid-phase of your fast, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin. This can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance, which is associated with type 2 diabetes. Day 6 to 7. Detoxification. As you progress into the latter half of the fast, your body continues to detoxify. This process involves the elimination of accumulated toxins and waste products, potentially leading to clearer skin and improved overall well-being. Day 7. Improved mental clarity and focus. By day 7, some individuals report heightened mental clarity and focus. This may be attributed to the brain's use of ketones as a source of energy, which can enhance cognitive function. Cellular autophagy. Fasting for an extended period can trigger a process called autophagy, where the body breaks down and recycles damaged cells. This cellular repair process is believed to have anti-aging and disease-preventive effects. Increased sense of control. Successfully completing a 7-day liquid fast can provide a sense of achievement and control over your eating habits. It can help reset your relationship with food and encourage mindful eating in the future. It's important to note that these benefits can vary from person to person, and fasting for such an extended period can have risks and side effects, including nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and potential adverse effects on those with certain medical conditions. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before attempting a prolonged liquid fast and to listen to your body throughout the process, breaking the fast if you experience severe discomfort or adverse effects. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the process of fasting. If so, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing health and wellness content.